Thank you. Well, it's pre-production now. Almost there, yeah. It's it's just come out of the factory last week from Arizona. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. It's my baby. It's got 1,000 horsepower. 500-mile range. 500-mile range. This is the first time we've ever driven one without camouflage on the road.
Are you serious?
Serious, yeah. First time ever, yeah.
It's an honor.
So you've got the scoop of all scoops.
It's an honor.
Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go!
So leaving the building now, heading out on the road. First drive in this car, super exciting. We're going to head up to Skyline and test the car through the mountains. We've got some really twisty sections, which will be the perfect proving ground for the vehicle dynamics. I'm really looking forward to this. Here we head west across San Francisco Bay. Impressed by the blend of regen as it's coming in by the traffic lights there. Beginning to get nice. We recently upped the regen from 0.25G to 0.3 in sports setting, which I personally prefer quite a lot. Fantastic primary ride quality on this pitchy type of surface. We've dialed out a lot of the pitch sensitivity, and that's come really good. Hitting in the 50s of miles an hour. And the car's hardly even. It's at a trot, not a canter. Super isolated ride quality. I wanted this vault-like experience from an electric car that no one's really perfected yet. And this is the basis for it. Shattering performance, compact and agile. This car's as much a sports car as a sedan. Terribly testing surfaces here, great single wheel inputs, great body control. And you get this left-right jitter inputs that can really create shake. We've got exceptional body stiffness. It's really nice. Really pleased with that. Just a little bit of judder on the hill hold. We need to work on the software, just on that modulation of the torque. And that's the point. We can improve on that. And we're heading out into driver's country. And we're going past the iconic Bucks Cafe here. Some of my earliest days with the company when we were called Ativa. We're out meeting folk at Bucks, interviewing some of the early candidates who were about to join our team. Suspension tuning team have done a fantastic job with us. I'm noticing around the 0 up to 2 miles an hour the need to finesse that whole feedback loop from accelerator to torque command. Still in heavy traffic, impossible to unleash the capability of the car here. But it's nice and taut, experiencing a whole range of different surfaces. Very pleased with the whole ride quality and the suppleness of the suspension. That's great. We've tested that thoroughly. I've tested that before. And this is every bit as good as the prototypes. The road is about to get more interesting. I'm getting great steering feedback here as we head up through the hills. The turn-in response is phenomenal. The body composure. This is a complete machine. Nice lot of feedback at higher speed as well. I'm liking it a lot. Really getting into it. I'm really nuts about steering feel. It's just coming nicely. It's unlike any other car I've ever driven. It really is. It's taking it to a whole nother level. Thank you. Well, it's pre-production now. Almost there, yeah. It's it's just come out of the factory last week from Arizona. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. It's my baby. It's got 1,000 horsepower. 500 mile range. 500 mile range. This is the first time we've ever driven one without camouflage on the road.
Are you serious?
Serious, yeah. First time ever, yeah.
It's an honor.
So you've got the scoop of all scoops.
It's an honor.